First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 38 daily score booster questions starting with simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's start with question number 1. 15, 9 times 9, 2 times here 5, 51 times 5, 90 times 17 3 times and 2 45 times. So what we left is 3 by 45 equals to 16 divided by x. So 3 15 times. So totally we have 15 16 times. 15 6 times will be 90 and 15 1 times will be 240. So answer will be 240. Option B is our answer. Next question. In this question, to solve this question, we need to know the squares. I know 1 to 60 squares. So you must need to know 1 to 60 squares, or you must by heart 1 to 60 squares. So 17 square, which is 289, plus 23 square, which will be 529, and this will be minus 24 square means minus 576. This minus 14 comes this side with plus 14. So whole equals to 4x. So we'll have, what we need to do is 6. Eliminating 6, we left with 3. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Okay. We need to eliminate 7. After eliminate 7, we left with 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So, next we need to eliminate 5. We left with 2. So, 4x value is 256. So, 1 x value is 4. 6 times 24 and 4 times. So, we get 64. But we have under root values here. 64 square value, which is 4096. So our answer will be option C. Root over 4096 value is 64 square. Next one. Here 0.216. 216 is nothing but a 6 cube. So here we have 0.6 whole cube whole power 75. So 3 into 75 divided by, this will be 0.6 square into 81. Okay, whole equals to 0.6 for x into 0.6 3 into 11. So we have 0.6 whole power 3 5 times 225. This one will be 225 and minus 8 1 times 8 2 times 2 1 times will be 2 and 162. This comes this side with the denominator, and here in the numerator it will be minus 33 whole equals to 0.64 x. So what we get is 5 minus 5 will be 0. These two are 9. 9 minus 12, 30. So x value is 30. Option B is our answer. Next, here 59 1 times 59 left with 9 295. 59 5 times. So totally 15x equals to root over 2025 means 45 square value. This is 45 square value divided by x into root of 729, which is 27. 15 3 times. So you get x square equals to 3 into 27, which is 81. So x value is 9. So answer will be option A, 9. Next, fifth question. 14.28%. This is nothing but the fraction value of 1 by 7. 11.11%. The fraction value is 1 by 9. 37.5%. The fraction value is 3 by 8 into 9576. So first I can see 9. 1 times 9, 0. 9, 6 times 54, 4 times 36. Next, 8, 1 times 8, 26, 3 times 4, 3 times 133. 7, 1 times 7, 9 times. So we left with the 3 into 19, which will be 57. 57 from all these and equals to x square plus 5% of 420. We know 10% value is 42. So 5% value means half of this one, which is 21 this side. So x square value will be, this comes this side with minus, so we left with the 6 and 3, 36. So x value is 6. Option E is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question. Here we have, wait a second. Even though we have under root, here the roots are minus and minus, means the roots will be positive and negative. Minus and minus means the roots will be positive and negative. So by comparing these two, it will be clear that x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. So no relation can be established in between these two equations. We can say this by seeing these two symbols at the end. No relation can be established. Next, in this question we have root 2. So we divide 24 by 2. We'll get to 12. So we need to get 12 and the base 1. 4 3 times. Subtracting this we get 1. So okay, minus and minus means plus and minus. Here we need to subtract, we need to divide 45 with 3 15 times. So we need to get 15 and here it is 8. Here wait a second, we need to place into root 2 also. Here we need to get 8. 5 3 times, minus and plus means plus and plus, root 3 is added to here. Now by comparing these two, how we compare is, first we need to square all the numbers. 4 square 16 into 2 32, 3 square 9, 2 times 18 minus 18, 5 square 25, 3 times 75, 3 square 9, 3 times 9, 3 times is 27. Now these are the numbers we have. By comparing these two, it is clear that 32 comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. There is no relation established in between these two equations. Next, third question. Here we have x square value is 121. So x value will be plus 11 and minus 11. Here we have 132 means 12 11 times. Minus and plus means both are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay. Next, fourth question. 42 into 56. First we will divide like this, 7 6 times and 8 7 times. 6 8 times, 48 7 7 times, 49, we get 97. Okay, plus and plus, so the roots are in negative. Here in this equation I can see a 3 factor here. 3 21 times 3 2 29 times 3 8 times equals to 0. So 21 8 times we need to get 29. So 21 8 times is the factors. Plus and plus means minus and minus are the roots. Now to make the base equal, here it is 42 and here it is 21. We need to multiply this with 2. We get a 42 8 2 times 16. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay. Next, here in this question it is clear that plus and plus means the roots will be negative. Minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First question, I see points here. Let's make this as 980, 1105, 1255, 143, 0, 1630, 1845. just multiplying with 10. Okay, now we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 125. Here the difference is 150. Here the difference is 175. Difference between these two is 200. So everywhere 25 will increasing. So here the difference is 5, 1 and 2. So this is the wrong number. So our wrong number is this one. And the last one is our wrong number. Okay, next we are going to see this one. Here it is into 1 by 5 times. Here I know 300 becomes 120 when we multiply this with 2 by 5. 60 times 62 times will be 120. So I know these numbers are familiar to me, these three. So next one must be into 3 by 5. 5 24 3 times 72. Okay, here it must be 4 by 5. And next one must be into 5 by 5. So if it is into 1, it is not our answer, because here we get a 57.6 is right. So our wrong number is 54. Next, third question. Here the difference between these two is 36 minus 36. Here minus 144. The difference between these two is minus 324. Difference between these two is 576. These all are the square numbers. Let's see the final one. 517, which is not a square number, so our wrong number is this one. Let's see fourth one. Here it is into 2 times, minus 8, into nearly 2 times, plus 10. It is plus 3, minus 3. Here it is into 2 times. So I can see into 2 times minus 3. It must be into 2. This must be minus 3. 98 minus 3 will be 95. 95 2 times will be 190. So wrong number is 90. Next, fifth one. Here the difference between these two is 7. Here the difference is double 1. Here the difference is 1 and 1 1 triple 1. Here the difference is 1 1 1 4 ones. Here the difference is 1 1 1 and 1, and left with 1 5 ones. So wrong number must be this one. So our wrong one is this one, 39. Now we are going to see missing number series. In the first question we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 46. Here the difference is 74. Here the difference is 108. Here we have 841. So let's see double differences. Here the difference is 28, 34. Here 40. So 6 variations. The next one must be 46. 148 plus 46 will be 194. So 400 plus 194 will be 594 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. 27 and 35. The difference is 8. Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 20. So there is a difference of 4. So this must be 24. 83 plus 24 will be 107. Answer will be option B. Third one. Here I can see this as into 6 times will be 24 minus 6. Here into 5 times 90 minus 5. Here it is into 4. 320 and 30 340 minus 4. Here it is into 3, means 3 6 times 8 minus 3. Okay, so the next one must be into 2 minus 2. So into 2 means 2010 minus 2 means 2008. This is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth one. Here the difference between these two is 16. Here the difference is 32. Here the difference is 6. 5 2. 16 becomes 32, 32 becomes 64, 64 becomes 128, 128 becomes 256. So 265 plus 128 will be 393. 393 is our answer. Option E is our answer. Next, fifth one. Here in this case we'll do multiplications. 12 becomes 87, so it must be into 7 times. 35, 14 and 17, 8750 plus 7. Okay, it must be 2 becomes 12, means if we do 6 we get more than 12, so we'll doing with 5. 5 9 times 45, 5 8 times 20, 24, 5 2 times 12, 10 1 2 2 5 plus 5. So this means here it must be into 3 plus 3 into 1 plus 1, or these are prime numbers. Maybe these are prime numbers or odd numbers. If it is odd numbers, we do into 1 plus 1, or else into 2 plus 2. 40 1 times will be 40, 40 plus 1 will be 41, 41 3 times will be 123 plus 3. No, so it must be wrong, odd numbers. 42 times 80, 80 plus 2, 82, 82 3 times will be 246, 246 plus 3 will be 249. So our answer will be 82. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities, the method we are using here is the flow method. What I mean to say is, the flow method means if we see a symbol like this, it means the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, it means the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions, directly with the questions. Conclusion 1, the flow from K to J with everywhere equal to also. From K we can reach to W. From W we can reach to J, but there is missing of equal to here. So first conclusion will be false. Let's see second conclusion. The flow from W to P. From W we can reach to L and M. From W we can reach to C. From C we can reach to Y but not to P. So second conclusion is false. Okay. Now we are going to see question number 2. The flow from K to J. From K we can reach to L. L to I. From I we can reach to G. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. From N we can reach to the flow from N to Q. From N we can reach to O but not to Q. So second conclusion will be false. Third question, the flow from O to D. From O we can reach to F, N, O to F. From F we can reach to D. Here there is no equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from F to Q with everywhere equal to. From F we can reach to N with equal to, and from N we can reach to Q with equal to. So second conclusion will be true. Fourth question, the flow from G to D. From G we can reach to H and E. From E we can reach to D, but everywhere there is equal to. So individually these two cases will fail in our question. These two conclusions will be false, but combining these two we have a sequence of the flow from G to D with everywhere equal to by using these two symbols, and we have the same flow in our question. So the answer for this one will be either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Next, fifth question, which of the following is true? We need to check all the options. The flow from Q to N, is it true? From Q there is equal to here, so first one is false. From U to M with everywhere equal to. From U we can reach to T, but none of the other. Okay, so Second one is false. The flow from P to V. From P we can reach to Q. From Q we cannot able to reach to V. This is also false. O to S with everywhere equal to. From O we can reach to N. From N we can reach to S. But there is missing of equal to here. Let's see fifth one. The flow from V to L. From V we can reach to Q. From Q we can reach to N. From N we can reach to L. So option E is our answer. In fifth question, option E is our answer. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Some Ludo or chess. All chess are volleyball. No volleyball is badminton. Let's see conclusions. Some chess are badminton. It is direct conclusion. Chess here and badminton here. There is no relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. All Ludo or volleyball is a possibility. All Ludo can be placed inside volleyball. Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Let's see second question. All F is Y. Some Y are Z. All Z are K. Conclusions. First one. All F being Z is a possibility. All F can be placed inside Z. Yes, we can place. It is true. No, K is Y. We check some K is Y possible or not. Some part of K is sharing with Y. So some case is true here means no case fails. Next, third question. Some tea is coffee. Some coffee is mojito. No drink is coffee. So no drink is coffee. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion. All drink being mojito is a possibility. All drink can place inside mojito. As we can place in possible diagram. So it is true. Second conclusion. Some tea is not drink. We check all tea can be drink because of not. So all tea can be placed inside drink. It is not possible because of some part of she here. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, fourth question. Only a few Monday is Tuesday. All Tuesday or Saturday. Some Tuesday or Sunday. Okay, let's see conclusions. First conclusion. Some Sunday or Saturday. As it is sharing. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. All Monday can be Saturday. Can we place all Monday inside Saturday? Yes, we can place. So second conclusion is also true. Next, we are going to see fifth question. Every means all. Every at the rate is inside dollar. At least some dollar. Wait a second. Every dollar, every at the rate is a dollar. Next, at least some dollar is slash. Hashtag. No, hashtag is end. Let's see conclusions. Some at the rate is not. We check all at the rate can be end. All at the rate can place inside and it is possible. So all case possible means some not case is fails. Second conclusion. All dollar can be inside end. Is it possible? No, because of sharing of this part. So all case fails. So neither one nor two is the answer for this one. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Week based reasoning puzzle. Let's solve this one. 7 persons have exam on different days of the week starting from Monday and ends on Sunday. Now let's see what is given, but not necessarily in the same order. No two persons have exam on the same day of the week. Let's note them statements. Q does not have exam just before A. Q does not have exam just before A. B has exam immediately before O. Immediately before O, B has exam. Two persons have exam between P and A. Next one, C have exam before N. C have exam before N, but after Q, means the flow is like this. Next, P has exam before A. P has exam before A, means the sequence is correct here. Next one person has exam between P and Q. So for P and Q there is only one person, either this one or this one. We have two possibilities. So we are starting, we have completed our statements. So we are starting our puzzle with this possibilities, and it said that the puzzle is about Monday to Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so we have two possibilities like this with P. If we have P, we can write A, 1 to A, 1 to A. Okay, this one completed. Next, we need to place B and O immediate. So this is the only place for B and O here. Okay, here Q and A are immediate, but in our statement it is said that Q and A does not be immediate. So this case fails. So we left with only this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we have 7 days. Here we have C, Q in below, C and N. So this is the place for the C, and the N place will be at the end. So our puzzle solution is Q, C, P, B, O, A and N. This is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions asked. 4 of the following are alike. So we need to find the odd one out. Q and C immediate, C and O not immediate, PB immediate, OA immediate. Next one, A and N. A and N also immediate. So second one is our answer. C and O does not be immediate. So option B is our answer. Second question, who among the following have exam on Monday? On Monday, Q has exam. So option A is our answer. Next one, the number of persons have exam between Q and O. Q and O, there is 3 persons, is same as the number of persons has exam between P and N. Answer will be option C, N. Okay. Next, fourth question, who among the following have exam immediately before A? Immediately before A is O. Option D is our answer. Next, fifth question, who among the following have exam on Sunday? On Sunday, N has exam. So option A is our answer. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.